Hi guys, Moz here for Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Today we are going to go through the Airfix 1984 Modellers Manual, which includes all the new kits in 1984 from the Airfix range and constructor. We'll be going through it page by page, and if you want to, go to the settings cog and change this to high definition because it will be filmed in HD. So sit back, relax as we go through the catalogue page by page. So, the Airfix 1984 Airfix Modellers Manual. Why don't you go back and watch it again, and if there's a page that interests you, just click pause. If you haven't yet, please like the video, click subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, comments, put them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!